Hey guys, Francis here again. I got my lucky tackle box. Let's see. As usual, we're going to try to open this up with a firecracker. As you can see, I kind of squeezed one in there. So I'll meet you out in the patio area and we'll see if we can pop this open with a firecracker, because you gotta remember, this tape is a little bit different than the mystery tackle box tape. It has all those strands in it to give it more strength. So I'll see you out in the patio, and I'll make sure I turn off the the rock tumbler so we can hear everything, okay? See you outside. All right, guys, let's light her up and we'll hopefully open up the box, and then I'll meet you back inside and we'll see what's inside the box. It worked. All right, I'll see you back inside. All right, well, it worked. Sometimes, you know, it didn't, but let's take a look inside. I've only seen one YouTube angler do one of these LTB unboxings, and now the house smells like gunpowder. So we got a card, we got our bait card. Okay, so let's keep this aside. And also it looks like they got some more apparel out on their website, so you might want to check that out. Okay, looks like with this card they're telling us to expect big baits to catch big fish, and that's what old lady angler that I saw was telling on her review of the box. And of course we have, oh good lord, got gunpowder all over it. We got the Fish Hound magazine. Okay, tell you what, let's go through the baits first and let's go through this later. All right. Oh, koozie, yeah. Cool little koozie. All right, for your cool one. And let's just go through the card one by one. Threadfin shad by Live Target. See if I can find it. There it is. Here it is. Let me take it out, give you a closer look, if I can take it out. You know, Live Target is really known for making some very realistic baits. That's what I like about them. And here you go. This is a nice swim bait. It really is. And you know, I think I can use this for inshore fishing too. So, very good. So far, so good. What's the next one? Must add 1/4 ounce stand-up jig heads. Okay. Here they are. These look like some pretty heavy-duty jig heads. Yeah, 1/4 ounce, and maybe there's some soft plastics in here to use them. I bet there are. So anyway, it's your basic jig, and pretty big too. Next is your Ultra Live Night Crawler. by Baitmate. Okay, it's a fish scent. Okay, so there you go. Next is a lizard from Bass Attacker. I love lizards. I just like the way they're designed and they swim in the water. Let's see if I can find it. Ultralive baits. Is this the lizard? Can't tell. Oh, here it is. Can I open it? Now this is an interesting color. Usually when I do lizards, they're like green, but look at this color. It's like a burnt orange. Very sparkly too. It's kind of like a crawl color. So I've never done a lizard with this color. And it kind of smells like garlic, okay? So that scent is to get your scent off of you. Okay, what's next? Drop Shot Finesse. Okay, I think we've received some, it's only 2 hooks, and I think we've done this, or we've received something like this before. You can see how small they are. So they're good for a drop shot. They have a really unique design. I haven't used the other ones. I haven't done a lot of fishing in a while, but we'll see what happens in the future. So I'm happy with these 2 little hooks here. Froglet by Lunker Hunt. Well, that should be easy to find, right? Here it is. Let me see if I can take it out for you. Okay, it's a hollow body, soft plastic. It's kind of a, you know, like your regular frog design, but it looks like kind of a shape of a super spook, you know? And so a fish is gonna bite down on it and hit those hooks. I'm hoping it's focusing in on these hooks here. I'm not sure, can you see that? I'm doing my best to show you. Anyway, ow, God, I'm always stabbing myself when I do these things. So obviously it's top water, okay? And I'm guessing you can, you know, walk the dog with it. All right, what's next? CD series, Jinko Fishing. Here it is. Wow. This is a very heavy-duty crankbait. Let's see. Dives to 25 feet and beyond, and has like a citrus shad in color. Let me. Does it say what color? Yeah, citrus shad. Okay. Let me pull it out for you. I have a couple of big crankbaits like this, and I'll be honest, I haven't been able to use them because I haven't been able to, you know, get on some big lakes, especially with a boat. But anyway, look at this. Man, it is beautiful. So I'm extremely happy with this one. They say this is for $10.99. That's a good price for a crankbait that big. That Lunker Hunt was like $7.99. Drop Shot Finesse hooks were $3. The lizards were $3.29. That's kind of what I expected. I'm not so concerned about the scent from Ultralive Nightcrawler. It was only $3.99. The Mustad hooks, $4.99, and Threadfin Shad, $9.99. Those are actually, I think, pretty good prices. Is there anything left? I see something Oh wow. Ultralight baits. Oh, you know what? This was what I think they wanted me to talk about earlier. And I hate to pull it out because it's sealed, but it looks like I'm trying to look at it. It looks like a worm. Guys, I really don't want to pull this out. The last time I pulled this heavily scented stuff out, I made a mess of myself on one of these videos. So it looks like a worm. Again, it's kind of like a burnt orange crawl in color. And maybe we can use that with our stand-up mustad hooks here. So that's what I would do. But I think these hooks, or these jigs, would do really well with a really big worm. And these worms kind of look kind of small. That's just my opinion. But usually when they give you something like this or something like this, they go together, right? So let's look at the Fish Hound magazine real quick. A lot of you guys who've been doing this contest thing, putting your postings of you know, your catches, there they are. And I noticed something else. There is no card for like that drawing they do monthly on their YouTube channel. I think old lady Angler spoke about that. And Keeping It Real Fishing, there are some interesting articles here. Let's see what else. Oh, okay, here's a nice article on that threadfin shad that we received. And big bass techniques. So obviously they're wanting us to do something with trying to catch some really big bass. So guys, that's it for now. Appreciate you joining me on this unboxing. And until next time, y'all take care. Guys, I'm back again. Luis Torres, who is based out of Las Vegas, Nevada, and he's mainly a catfish fisherman, but he does other things. He has a big giveaway going, and he asked me to help promote it. So I'm gonna put the link down to his channel down in the description, and check it out. I mean, I saw one of his giveaway videos. It looks like an awful lot of neat stuff. So check it out. Until then, one more time, I'll see you guys later. I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.